Hello, welcome. So this is going to be a different kind of video. My boyfriend recently got a 3D printer. It is a Creality printer that he kickstarted, and we have been, just testing out a bunch of different stuff. So there is a bunch of cosplay props that I have been wanting for the longest time. One of them being the shiny rod from Little Witch Academia. So it was time to test out a really big product, and I told my boyfriend if we could do the shiny rod. So we are printing the shiny rod from Little Witch Academia. This was a 15-hour print. So this is 15 hours compressed down to almost 13 minutes. I tried my best to compress it down as compressed as I could. This is only the top part of the staff. Top part of the staff had to be broken into two pieces because of the way that the bed is. It's a smaller bed, it's not a really big printer, and also just we wanted to make sure that everything was printed nicely, and it actually worked. We were able to glue it well, and you'll be able to see that at the end. This little mini series for the shiny rod is going to consist of 3 different videos, all just time-lapsed. As you see, you'll see lighting change, you'll see the camera kind of change, and that's because I do end up switching from my cell phone to my camera, to my cell phone to my camera because of battery. Like, that's how long this print took. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy. I am very excited to be able to add the shiny rod to my Akko cosplay, and throughout my YouTube we'll be able to go through and see the print process. I am not really recording too much of the gluing process because my boyfriend's the one that's doing that part. And then we're also going to be doing putty and sanding, so I'll see if he wants to do that. Since he is more of the 3D printing person, this is something that he bought. He really wants to learn, so he's the one that's helping me out pretty much with these YouTube videos, but I'm really excited to be able to put them together, and I will be the one doing the painting process. So it's gonna be super exciting and I can't wait. I'm just gonna go ahead and leave you guys to watch the printing process of the shiny rod part 1, and this is the top of the staff. I hope y'all enjoy. as we come to the end of the print of part 1 of the staff, the shiny rod from Little Witch Academia, I just want to thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this print, and I can't wait to go ahead and bring part 2 and 3 for y'all. 3 will be able to see the full assembly put together, and as well as my boyfriend gluing it together. So he's actually scraping them off right now, and this is how they would look glued together. This is right off of the bed, as you can see. I am super excited. It came out super well. There's just needs to be a little bit of sanding, but overall an amazing print for a first time big item. And this entire project is going to be broken up into 5 parts, I believe. So this is 2 out of the 5. Alright, I will see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope y'all enjoy these new 3D printing series videos that I'm going to be bringing for y'all, because I'm going to be bringing more prop 3D printing videos as well. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next shiny rod video. Alright, bye!